Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Zeplin and Figma apps installed and signed in. Open the Figma file and mark exportable layers and components so exports are predictable. Once done, switch to Zeplin and create or join a project, selecting the correct platform template. Now export a selected frame from Figma using the Zeplin plugin. This is the first actionable step. Make sure artboards are named clearly so styles and assets map cleanly into Zeplin. You now work through the complex middle. Run the Zeplin plugin inside Figma and export selected frames. Confirm all slices and export settings like 1x, 2x, SVG are set. Once exported, organize screens into sections and add tags for developers. Make sure typography and color styles sync. Zeplin reads styles when components are named consistently. If components update, re-export only changed frames. This keeps the project lean and prevents duplicated assets. You finish by publishing remaining screens and sharing Zeplin links with developers, setting permissions and pinning critical specs. After that, re-export only changed frames to preserve version clarity and review assets for correct resolutions and linked components. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Refresh the Zeplin plugin and reauthorize the connection between Figma and Zeplin, then re-export. This resolves most sync and missing asset problems, ensuring your handoff stays accurate and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.